Dear children, in this session we are going to see the grammar portion from the prose The Gift of Chapels. Let's move on to the topic tenses. Rules of tenses help you understand how to correctly use the different tenses in a sentence without making a grammatical mistake, and also by easily indicating when an event or action has occurred. Tenses can be divided into three parts: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Each of the three tenses can further be divided into subparts, that is, simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. In this session, we shall discuss in detail the tenses rules for the above mentioned types of verb tenses, followed by examples to explain them clearly. First one is present tense. Present tense can be defined as an expression for an activity that is currently in action or is habitually performed. It is used for a state that generally exists or is currently ongoing. See the simple present tense. Rule of the simple present tense: subject plus verb 1 plus s or es plus object. Look at the example. The girl sings a song. Here the subject is girl and the girl is singular, and s has been added to the verb singular followed by the object song. Now let's move on to the plural formation, how to form simple present tense in plural form. See the rule: subject plus verb 1 plus object. See the example. The girls sing a song. The girls sing a song. Here the subject is girls. Girls is the plural form. Verb 1 is sing and the object is a song. In this way you have to form the sentence in a simple present tense. To form a simple present tense, you need to follow the rule. What is that? Subject plus verb 1 plus object. Okay. Now let's see how to form present continuous tense. See the rule to form present continuous tense: subject plus is or am or are plus verb plus ing plus object. Let's see the example. She is eating food. Here the subject is she followed by is. The first form of verb V1, that is verb 1, here is eat, and plus ing has been added to it followed by the object food. Here object is food. In this way you need to follow the rule to form present continuous tense. Now let's move on to the present perfect tense. How to form present perfect tense in singular. If the subject is singular means you need to follow this rule. Okay. See the example. He has cleaned the utensils. Here he is the subject and you need to add has. He has. Next one is cleaned. Cleaned is the verb 3. So you need to add verb 3. Then the object, the utensils. So to complete the sentence for present perfect tense, you need to follow the rule: subject plus has plus V3 plus object. See the next one, how to form present perfect tense in plural sentence. So if the subject is in plural form, you need to follow this rule. See the rule: subject plus have plus V3, verb 3 plus object. See the example. They have cleaned the utensils. Here they is the subject and it is in the plural form. So you need to follow this rule. Next one is you need to add have in the sentence after the subject. Then next one is verb 3. Verb 3 in the sentence is cleaned and it is followed by the object. Object is the utensils. Let's move on to the next one, present perfect continuous tense. So how to form present perfect continuous tense in the if the subject is singular. In this sentence,
She is the subject and it is in the singular form. So you need to follow this rule. Subject plus has been plus verb 1 plus ing plus object.
Learn is the verb 1. So in this way you need to form the sentence for present perfect continuous tense. If the subject is plural, you need to follow this rule. Subject plus have been plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. To form present perfect continuous tense, if the subject is plural means you need to follow this rule. See the example. They have been learning German. They have been learning German. Here they is the subject and it is in the plural. Likewise, you need to form present perfect continuous tense. You need to add have been after subject. And learn is the verb 1. Next one is past tense. Any event or action that took place in the past can be referred to as the past tense. 4 subparts in past tense. Now let's see the subparts in past tense. First one is simple past tense. For simple past tense, you need to follow this rule: subject plus verb 2 plus object. Look at the example. He ran away. He ran away. Here the subject is he. And ran is the second form of verb 2 of run. This is followed by the object. So to form simple past tense, you need to follow this rule: subject plus verb 2 plus object. Now let's move on to the next subpart, that is past continuous tense. In past continuous tense, the subject is singular means you need to follow this rule: subject plus was plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. Look at the example. He was watching TV. He was watching TV. Here he is the subject and it is in the singular form. So you need to follow this rule. Here he is the subject, it is in singular form and you need to add was. Then verb 1 is watch. You need to add ing plus object. To form past continuous tense, if the subject is in singular means you need to follow this rule. Next one is past continuous tense. If the subject is in plural form, you need to follow this rule: subject plus were plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. See the example. They were playing football. They were playing football. They is the subject and it is in the plural form. So you need to follow this rule. Now see the next one, past perfect tense. To form past perfect tense, you need to follow this rule: subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. Look at the example. Smith had left the job. Here the subject is Smith and you need to add had. Subject plus had. Smith plus had. Then left, which is the third form of verb 3 leave. Which is the third form of verb 3 leave is given followed by the object. In this way you need to follow the rule to form past perfect tense. The next one is past perfect continuous tense. Form past perfect continuous tense, the rule is subject plus had been plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. Look at the example. They had been preparing for their performance for 2 months. In this example, here the subject is they plus had been. It is followed by preparing, which is the first form of verb 1 of prepare, and then the object. In this way you need to follow the rule to form past perfect continuous tense. Next one is future tense. Future tense means what? The actions that are to take place in the future fall in the category of the future tense. Now let's see the subparts of future tense. Simple future tense. To form simple future tense, the rule is subject plus will or shall plus verb 1 plus object. See the example. I will visit my uncle tomorrow. In this sentence, here the subject is I
plus will. It is followed by the first form of verb, that is verb 1, visit, and then the object. The object is my uncle tomorrow. The next one is future continuous tense. To form future continuous tense, the rule is subject plus will be or shall be plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. See the example. I shall be going to the market tomorrow. In this example, the subject is I plus shall be. Following it is the first form of verb 1, that is first form of verb 1 is what? Go. Go plus ing and then the object. Next one is future perfect tense. To form future perfect tense, the rule is subject plus will have or shall have plus verb 3 plus object. See the example. I shall have prepared the notes by tomorrow morning. I shall have prepared the notes by tomorrow morning. In this example, the subject is I plus shall have. So it is followed by prepared. Here prepared, which is the third form of verb 3 prepare, and then the object. So to form future perfect tense, you need to follow this rule. Subject plus will have or shall have plus verb 3 plus object. The next one is future perfect continuous tense. To form future perfect continuous tense, the rule is subject plus will have been plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. So see the example. She will have been working here since 2015. In the sentence here, the subject is she plus will have been, you need to add, and it is followed by the first form of verb work plus ing and then the object. To form future perfect continuous tense, you need to follow this rule. Subject plus will have been plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. Children, I hope you would understand this tenses rule, and you need to follow this rule to form the tenses. Children, I hope you would understand about this topic. If you have any doubt, you can leave a comments in comment box. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the upcoming videos. Thank you.